Turning the tide, mastering English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant sea of English phrases to explore the meaning behind "turn the tide." This phrase has a rich history and is used in various contexts to inspire and motivate. So, let's set sail and decode its usage together. The phrase, "turn the tide," has its roots in nautical imagery. It refers to the moment when the sea's tide, which seemed to be moving in one direction, begins to move in the opposite. Originally, it described a change in fortune during naval battles. Today, it's a powerful metaphor used across many situations. When we say someone has turned the tide, we mean they've changed a losing situation into a winning one. It's about overcoming obstacles and shifting a negative scenario into a positive. It's that pivotal point where things start to improve after a period of difficulty. Let's look at some examples. After falling behind in the polls, the mayor's impassioned speech turned the tide of the election. The team was losing until a surprise goal turned the tide, leading them to victory. This phrase is versatile. Use it when talking about sports, describing a comeback; business, a product that changed a company's fortunes; personal life, overcoming personal challenges. And that's how you turn the tide in English. It's a phrase that carries hope, determination, and the power of change. Use it to describe those incredible moments when defeat is snatched from the jaws of victory. Happy learning, and may you always find the strength to turn the tide in your favor.